Hey! In front of me is REALME C11 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Browser. As you can see, I have it already, so I can right away go into Device Settings and choose Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down, tap on Default Apps and select one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I will go into Browser app over here and tap on my preferable browser, in this case Opera. So now when I go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!